This is Ekwulobia Township Stadium, which was later renamed after the reconstruction to Solution Stadium Ekwulobia by the current government of Anambra State. So I visited this particular location, though this is not my first time of visiting. This is actually, I think, my third time since the construction started. So this time around we visited, and we did a very an in-depth tour of the area. We toured from the stadium down to the country club, and toured almost all around the outside. And currently what you are watching right now is the outside of the stadium. From the other side of it, once you come to the area of the stadium where the stadium is located, so the other side you just watch is at the upper side, while this side is by the down side, where the place you're gonna first see immediately you came in from the major road that links you to the stadium. So right now we are going behind the other side of it. You can see over here that the frontage was refenced and also painted and put in order, but here this particular fence has not been touched. It was not touched, and I noticed something. The reason why I film it is that I noticed something. The fence actually has crack on them, and it's not that straight. Like the fence is not looking straight, and is looking like something that is about to fall off or something. You can see the cracks on the wall, and if you check it from down to up, you will see that I don't know how to put the video to show you that the fence is not actually straight. Like it looks like something that is falling. So I was hoping maybe after the whole thing they're gonna retouch that fence, maybe a kind of rebuild or fix the area where has problem already. So this is the view of the main entrance gate, and from here we'll be heading inside very soon. So this is the view of the main entrance gate and the view of the outside. So right now let's head inside. When we arrive the stadium and they head inside the main stadium, not the country club, we notice that the stadium itself has been completed. The auditorium has long been completed. The pitch is already completed. What is remaining is the track. There are things they're supposed to put on the track which has not been put. I don't know if it will have those things. If you have visited anywhere that has any stadium that has a track, kind of running track, there's something they used to put on top to make it soft or something, so it will not be very hard when you are stepping on them. So those things has not been put has not been installed there, and the markings has not been done. So those are the only major things I see that is remaining around that inside stadium. And what you just watch is the entrance to the inside the stadium itself. So right now we are inside the stadium, and I'll show you the full view of the stadium. I did a few tour of the place, so I will show you the full view of the stadium from the pitch to the auditorium and also to X-ray. And another thing we notice here is that all the lightning has been installed from this particular one to the down one. They are in 4 places. This one, there's another one by the other end, and there's another one down below, and the fourth one. So it's 4 in 4 places. So the light has been installed already. They are done with this installation of the light. So if you check out the running tracks, you can see that what is currently there is only the concrete. That thing that I'm telling you about has not been, I don't know what that thing is called. It looks like asphalting, but it's not asphalting. It's somehow when you are matching on them, it seems like you are matching on foam or something. So If you go to other stadium that has running track, you know what I'm saying. So I don't know what is that thing is called. So this is the view of the stadium, the view of the auditorium. This is the view of it. So you can see that this place has is no is kind of completed. So from here, after showing you this, we're gonna be heading over to inside the pitch section and show you how what it looks like. But this period you visited, I noticed that I don't know if it is the workers that are doing it, or maybe they have an event inside the stadium, because I saw some, you know, some sachet water nylons inside that stadium, but not that many though, not that many. So the pitch is looking nice though, but I'm noticing something. There are some certain sections, like a certain some spots that refuse to grow. You know, that the carpet glass refuse to grow. So, but other majority parts are in order. So it's looking nice. For those who are not aware, the stadium is a 2,000 capacity stadium. It's a 2,000 capacity stadium. It's not that big, though the one you have in Noka currently, which I think is being also renovated by the current governor, is just I think 1,000 capacity or so. So, but this particular one, according to the builders, the information at hand, they say it's a 2,000 capacity stadium, almost should I say one of the smallest you can find in Anambra State. So that is it. The one you have in Inewu, which is Silfanyoba, is I think they said is 18,000 capacity or so. We also have another one which is around 6,000 to 10,000, but that one has not been completed. It's still under construction, which in my next video I'll be covering the area too, but I won't tell you the location until I did a tour of the place. Then I'll give you guys the whole details. So as we are moving forward, watching the whole environment and the looks of everything, I will not continue talking to the last of this video, but I'll also brief you things about the country club immediately we get to that section. So the next thing I wanted to say, not related to this video, but related to maintenance culture, which we have been hammering on. Building or construction is one thing, while the maintenance is another thing. So I noticed something, because the time the solution park and the solution market was completed around the Ekwulobia axis, before the Ekwulobia flyover, I have not been able to visit the location, or kind of film the location, but I've been there and I'm seeing everything, but I've not made any video about it. So if you get to that solution park and the market, you will notice something. After the whole section where motorists are being parked and the traders are using, the next of it, the other side of it, nothing is going on there, and I kind of see where they are dumping refuse. They are using that place as a dumping site, not inside the park, or do is outside the park by the corner, as if you are going towards Nanka. So that is where you find that refuse dumping site. And inside the park itself, some section of it have started growing bushes, which currently nobody is touching them. So this is what I've been saying. Even the video I created about main market, the market within Onitsha, and what is need to be done to contain the amount of waste bin that is being sprayed all over the market. I also mention about it. So I thought by now that this particular park or the market should have a standby a standby truck or a basket that they will be using in disposing some of those things, rather than dumping them beside the park. It is very, very uncalled for. Maybe one of these days, if I have the time, I'll go there, film the park also, and film the area, so you guys will see what I'm talking about. So, but I just said let me chip it in this video, because I forgot to make mention of it when I did Ekwulobia flyover video. So you can see the looks of the pitch. You can see what the pitch is looking like. All this area, you can see that is greeny. it's very very greeny around this area. Why some side, like all those minor sports, you can see them over there, are yet to grow. But honestly, the stadium is given. That's only what I can say. So from here now, I think from here, this is I think this is another lawn tennis court. This particular stadium has its own lawn tennis court, and if you head over to the other side, inside the country club, you will see another lawn tennis court also. The stadium comes with a lawn tennis court, while the country club also has its own lawn tennis court. We show you everything on this video. Just don't watch 3 minutes and leave. Make sure you watch till the end, so you grab all the whole information and the entire view of the area. I also film inside the country club, the houses. I film them. I film everywhere. So relax and grab a cup of coffee. Make sure you watch till the end, and as you are watching, don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to comment, tell us what you feel about the area, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and as well share to get to a wider audience. And keep on watching until we get to the country club. I'll now gist you what I have for that particular sections. For now, this is a view of the entire Solution Stadium in Ekwulobia. So from here right now, we are currently heading inside the country club. I have showed you this particular one before, so but if you jump them, you can kindly go back and watch it. That's a lawn tennis court. So this is the view of the country club, and this is the first building you will see here immediately you come in from the stadium side, because from the stadium you still have one entrance gate that links you to the country club from the stadium. So we access the country club from the stadium entrance. So but if you come inside the from the main entrance gate of the entire compound, the country club has its own entrance. But if you are right inside the stadium, you don't need to come through the other side to access the stadium from the main entrance. You just need to use the bypass, which I just followed right now. So this is the view of the country club. This is the surroundings, this is the environment. So within a short time, we're gonna be taking the other route to show you the front view of the main building of the country club, and also show you the lawn tennis court inside the country club. The lawn tennis court of this country club is very close to the fence, almost in the same place with the fencing. Is beside the fence. So very soon you're gonna see them there. So this is the looks of the environment. You can see the the little tiny space that is left after the construction. So I think this is the lawn tennis court. This is the lawn tennis court. So the country club has its own lawn tennis court, while the stadium also come with one too. So they both have lawn tennis court. So from here we go and have a view of the of the front view of the country club, and from there we head right inside the main building to show you what is currently looking like and where they currently are. And what we noticed when the period we assessed this particular building is that we noticed that they have started screeding, they have started wall screeding. And I think I also saw POP guys doing their work also. They are currently doing POP and screeding when we visited. And this is the compound of the country club. You can see how massive it is. It is very big somehow, and the interlock has been already done. They are done with interlock already, and planting of flowers has also commenced. If you watch closely, you can see that they have planted flowers. One thing you need to know about me is that I love nature. I love nature so much. So I love trees well, and I love flowers. That is one thing about me. Anywhere I came and I saw this, I feel a kind of happy and relaxed, honestly. So brothers, don't be offended. I know that this video you are currently watching, this particular clip is somehow jingling, kind of shaky, doing something like doing as if it is raining, or I don't know. Don't be offended. I did a wide angle, I switched a wide angle range on my phone, to get a wider angle of the area, only for me to get home. I noticed that the wide angle range is something else, so please don't be offended. Manage the video like that until when we have money to purchase a better gear for filming. So this is the current looks of the inside the country club, and as you can see, some section has already received the screening, while other section are still working on other sections. So after the inside this place, we're gonna head up. I also climb the staircase to go and see the view of the country club from the up. So this is the view. This is the view of everything. So from here we are going to head to up. So guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe to the channel. Click on the like button, click on the notification bell, so we'll be among the first people that will get notified anytime we publish a new video. So after after this up, we'll show you the extra view of the country club outside, then go and show you what it looks like once you come in from the main entrance gate of the stadium. So we also go and show you that then before we call it a day for this video. So this is the view of the country club, the outside. Once you climb the staircase, this is the view, what it looks like from the up. So from there we are heading outside, so you go and see the remaining angle. So guys, this is where we're gonna be cutting this video for now. Kindly do subscribe, turn in the notification bell, and don't forget to share. And also don't forget to give us your own take via the comment sections. We want to hear from you, want to hear what you feel about the stadium. Don't forget what I said earlier. It is a 2,000 capacity stadium that comes with country club and the rest. There are many other bigger stadiums in Anambra State. One of them, the biggest, I think, is Efa, and the rest, which I told you I'll be showing you the second biggest in my next video. The second biggest stadium in Anambra State, which is currently under construction. I'll be showing you that in my next video. So don't forget to like the video, give us your own take via the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. So we meet again in my next video.